So this is opening Canvas Workspace, the online version. Up to the top bar and type in canvasworkspace.com and it will take you to the correct URL and the brother site. And once you're there, it will, wait for it to come, give you the option to either download the download version at the top there or create an account, or if you've already got an account, put your username and your password in. An option to, if you forget your password, check the login for 7 days and that'll keep you logged in, and then log in to the site. It'll come up with a whole heap of projects that Brother have created for you to have a play with. They're quite good. You can also save your projects in this area at the second tab along at the top, you can see. So we're on the Canvas project tab at the moment, and then you've got my projects, which is your projects. You click on that one to create a new project, or if you've got a project saved, you can go into my projects that you want to open, and you're in.